Alright, so right now I'm looking at a liquidity grab on gold. We can clearly see that this red wick swooped underneath this low, essentially doing what? Grabbing liquidity. So I just pulled up to the market. I did come in a little bit late, so I'm just gonna wait for the next break of the candle. I'm not gonna get in right now. But yeah, let's just see what this wants to do. I'll go over why I think this trade has potential after I take it, win or lose. So yeah.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in for buys. I got in a little bit early because I'm pretty confident in this. I don't really care to wait for the break of the candle. Plus, we have already gotten a break of the candle. So stop loss is going to go underneath the green candle, and then my take profit will go to 1-1.
Stop filled.
Alright, let's stop loss hit. Lost 440 on that. So I'm gonna go over why I thought this trade was pretty decent. I don't know. I felt like we were somewhat in consolidation, and I didn't think that the market wanted to just completely drop off. I thought maybe we'd get a pullback, retest some sort of level before wanting to make that massive move to the downside. Yeah, I don't know why. I really don't know if this was really a bad setup to take. Realistically, I think it might have just got unlucky, so that's okay. It happens sometimes. If I find one more setup, I will take it. Otherwise, I'm gonna call it a day and take that $440 L. So by this rejection, I'm assuming gold's gonna go back up. So if it does give me the candle break to the upside, I will take buys again on this setup. Otherwise, if obviously it doesn't, then we'll just let this one go. So let's just see if it wants to give me a re-entry.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
get in aggressive and get in early just because I want to try to make profits back. So yeah, let's hope that this doesn't play me. The reason I got in aggressive is because it's literally the same trade as I took yesterday. Again, we grabbed liquidity with this red candle. It faked people out, and then it did a smart money grab and grabbed liquidity again with this candle. So yeah, let's just see how this one plays out. Hopefully we don't get wrecked 2 times. If we do, it's okay. It's whatever. That's crazy.
Stop
Oh
filled.
my goodness. Alright, well, we just got cooked today. Unfortunate, nothing you can do. Done for the day. I'm not taking any more trades. Yeah, we took $880 loss. I believe that's exactly what we made yesterday, so kind of unfortunate, but it's whatever. I'm just gonna end the video here, and yeah. Okay, so I know I'm not supposed to trade 3 times in one day, but the idea of this coming back up like that and doing essentially another liquidity grab on that low and even more lows, it just looks too good to pass up, bro. So I'm thinking if we get break of the candle to the upside, I'll get back in for buys and see what happens with this. Alright, I'm gonna get in aggressive again, just so I can try to make profits back. Stop loss is gonna go underneath the red candle, and then for my take profit, let me go to the 5-minute chart. For my take profit, I think that there's potential for this to come up to this high right here. So let's just see if it wants to do that and give us our money back.
Order filled.
Okay. I don't know what that was. Yeah, I'm never trading Wednesdays ever again. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. This price action is fucking weird. Um, so okay, well we made 1,000, I guess. Now I just want to go over this trade, but I also want to go over some psychological shit because realistically, bro, I fucked up mentally. I traded 3 times. Obviously, why I traded 3 times because I lost 2 times on some shit that I thought was gonna win, and that just triggered me. Now that needs to stop, because if it doesn't, it's just gonna fuck me in the long run. I already know it, so that's gonna have to stop. Even if I feel like the setup is gonna go in my favor, I need to just sit back and let it go in my favor. I can't be over trading doing stupid shit. Now, this was a fucking stressful trade, bro. I mean, like, what did I get in right here? Somewhere around here. Stop loss was underneath, and then I aimed for this high or something like that, right? Obviously, you guys can see it went up. Then it wanted to play around and just fuck, bro. I was down like 900 right here. So that didn't feel good because I was already down 800. So I was damn near down 2K for the day, right here. And then price decided to reverse. And then I don't know, bro. The only reason I really felt decent about this trade is because on the 15 minute, it is a 15 minute liquidity grab. Now let me remove the drawings. We grabbed this low and we grabbed this low. I'll circle it just so you guys can see this low and this low, also this low. So it was a clean 15 minute liquidity grab. And then as well as a 5 minute, obviously it was a liquidity grab as well. So it's 15 and a 5 minute. Now another thing that made me feel comfortable is that yeah, we are overall technically bullish. Okay, so like I didn't really think that, if we were gonna drop off and fill in some gaps down here or whatever, that it was just gonna be that easy. I didn't think we were just gonna say, yeah, let's just sell off or even just go this far down. I thought that if we're gonna break structures to the downside for a sell off, we're gonna first retest some levels before making a major move. So that was the plan. Obviously, the market doesn't always, play out text by text, but all you can do is play the probabilities and hope that it goes in your favor. So I don't know if that was news or what that candle was, but I just got extremely. Oh yeah, that looks like there was because Nas just dropped crazy. So that was some sort of news that just came out, and I just got lucky, and it went in my favor. I don't feel very good about today's trading session because overall I went against my rules, and realistically I just got lucky with some bullshit news that I didn't even know was coming out. So that's that. At least it didn't go the opposite way. That's all I can guess. That's all I can say, I guess. So we're up 1,000. Not very happy about it, but we are. So hopefully we can maintain it and follow my rules the rest of the week and next week. This entire challenge, bro. I really need to just stop being fucking stupid, bro, and just do what I know needs to be done, bro. I'm sick and tired of fucking up my accounts because I just want to overtrade or I want to risk more than, or I want to, I want to overtrade or risk more than I should, like, bro. But anyways, man, we're gonna call it a day. Yeah, just gonna end the video here.